Hello and welcome to Project B. In this episode of Lemon to Lambo, we show you our new Lemon. Previously on Lemon to Lambo, we bought a 2007 Mazda 3 MPS from the auctions for $6,500. We then gave the car full service, including brand new filters, oil, spark plugs and a new battery, as well as brake pads, which totaled $470. We then registered and insured the MPS, which cost us $600. The MPS cost us a grand total of $7,600. After a few no-shows and lowball offers, we ended up selling the MPS for $9,000. And with that $9,000, we've gone and bought our next Lemon. If you'd like to start from the beginning of our Lemon to Lambo journey, click the pop-out banner above. Hey guys, you join us today on our way to pick up the latest Lemon that we've bought using the funds that we got from selling the MPS. Not gonna lie, this is probably a car I never would have bought if it wasn't for this channel. So I'm interested to see how it goes. So stay tuned, stick along, and you'll be seeing it very shortly.
This is our Suzuki Swift S. It is powered by a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre engine that's naturally aspirated and produces a whopping 74 kilowatts and 133 newton meters of torque. The Suzuki Swift has a strong rally heritage and has won 60 different car awards since 2004, which has helped Suzuki sell over 6 million units.
Alright, so we'll start at the back of the car. First things first, it's got a nice blue tip exhaust. That in itself adds about 25 horsepower. So really cool idea, and cool that it's on there. The odd job of the welding there, bit how you going, but it does the job. First things first, suspension, no leaks, all dry. The wheel, nice and solid, wheel bearings all good. On this side, again, nice and dry, no leaks, and wheel bearing all good. Moving forward, just at a glance, the underside extremely clean and tidy. Not much corrosion, no massive dents. It's a very, very tidy car. The exhaust looks great. All the bushings, rubber bushings are nice. Moving forward, have a look at the suspension of these wheels. CV boots, nice and dry. Shocks, again, nice and dry. The wheels, all good. Moving to the other side, CV boots, nice and dry. Nice and dry. Same with the strut. If you have a look in here, you can see these brake pads, nice and red. So these are a newly changed item. We'll have a look at the wheel bearing. That's all good as well. Pop over to this side as well, you'll see, turn the wheel around, brand new wheel weights. So, and if you have a look at the tread of the tyre as well, I've got plenty of tread left. So these are, we can safely say, are quite new tyres that have been newly balanced, which is really good. Moving forward, probably the best thing that's under here is just up here, the oil filter. Brand new. If you come around here, you'll be able to get a better shot. Brand new. So this car's just had a a service. As well, looking at the bottom of the engine, everything's dry, nice and dry, no leaks that we can see. Sump plug, nice and dry. It's nothing much more to say. The car's in very good nick. It's very dry, no leaks. New oil filter, new wheel weights. So all in all, very clean, very nice car. We'll pop it down on the ground and go through the interior as well as plugging the scan tool in. So inside, what can I say? It's a Swift. Pretty basic, but it does have a few nice things. We've got a likewise shift knob, so this in itself is worth about $100. We've got a doubled-in touchscreen Sony head unit that has Apple CarPlay, so that's going to be awesome, especially when we're selling the vehicle. Apart from that, it's just a bulk standard Swift. So we'll start it up and we'll plug the scan tool in and see if any little gremlins show up. So we scanned the car with our scan tool for codes. There was one that popped up in the under power steering, but since clearing that code, it hasn't come back. So I think that issue has been solved and was just flagged as a historical fault. So good news on the scan tool as well.
So overall condition of the Suzuki Swift is it's in great condition. The service history, it was only serviced only roughly 3,000 to 4,000 Ks ago. No fault codes on the scan tool, so we don't have to address any of that. So all we have to do is wash the car and sell it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Lemon to Lambo video.